Hello, seventh grade. It is Mr. Matthews back with your second story of the week. So, we're just going to get right into it. This story is called The World's Weirdest Hotels. All right. So, I'm going to try and read this and show you the pictures. So, part one, look at that. Part one. You're happily driving down the highway when, hey, is that a giant beagle? Yup, it's a beagle, all right. A hotel that looks like a beagle, that is. It's just one of many weird, wacky hotels where travelers can stay when they're looking for something out of the ordinary. A dog hotel for people. Located in the United States, the beagle shaped hotel is something to howl about. After you check in, you just go up a flight of stairs and enter your room through a door in the beagle's belly, and you'll find a pup lover's paradise inside. If you're not a fan of dogs, you're probably barking up the wrong tree. But if you are, then you're sure to have a positively good time. The room has doggy decor galore. There are dogs, not real ones, on the pillows and headboard, books about dogs, and even dog shaped cookies. And the hotel even lets people bring their pets. Look at this. This is part two. An ice hotel. An ice hotel. Talk about cool. This hotel is the coolest since its rooms are built exclusively of snice. Can you guess what snice is? It's a mixture of snow and ice. And there's plenty of it because this hotel is in the far north of Sweden, where it's super cold for much of the year. Every year, machines cut snow and huge ice blocks from the frozen Torn River, enough to make 700 million snowballs. The blocks are used to build the floor, walls, and ceiling, plus all the furniture, and things like glasses and bowls. Then artists create unique sculptures for each room, all made of snice. It's a good thing each room comes with snowsuits and boots, since indoor temperatures can be a nippy 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Believe it or not, the entire hotel is rebuilt every fall because the whole building melts in the summer sun. There's an ice hotel. Part 3. This is a salt hotel. A salt hotel. Please pass the salt. High in the Andes Mountains in Bolivia, there's a hotel with floors, walls, ceilings, and furniture that are all made of salt. It's located in a salt flat, an area where a salty lake dried up, leaving lots and lots of salt behind. Builders made bricks out of salt and water, and up went the hotel. Next came salt tables, salt chairs, and even art made of salt. When the rainy season comes along, the water wears down the bricks of salt that make up the hotel, so the owners are always making repairs. But hey, it's worth it to have a hotel that's like no other. There's really only one strict rule at the Salt Hotel: do not lick the walls. Part 4. A robot hotel. A robot hotel. The Japanese word henna means strange, and Japanese henna hotel sure lives up to its name. When you check into the henna hotel, a fierce looking velociraptor might just be there to welcome you. But don't worry, the daunting dino is actually a nattily dressed robot, one that will happily tell you about the hotel. Then another robot will take your bags and show you to your room. Oh, and no problem if you forget to get a room key. Your face was scanned at the front desk, so all you have to do is gaze into a scanner at the door to your room, and it will open. Once you've settled in, you might be getting hungry. No problem. Just tell the cute little robot on the nightstand, and it will make sure a tasty snack is delivered to your room. Would you like to stay at any of these crazy hotels? It could be lots of fun. All right, so this article only has 4 questions. All right, so this one's a little shorter than what we've been doing the last few weeks. So question 1. What is this article mainly about? A. How one Japanese hotel greets guests with an unusual robotic velociraptor. B. How some hotels use salt or ice to create all of their walls and floors. C. How one U.S. hotel has guests enter rooms through a door in a dog's belly. Or D. How some hotels offer adventurous guests very unusual experiences. Question 2. The Dog Hotel is a pup lover's paradise because A. It has a dog robot in each room that can order meals for guests. B. It offers guests dog training classes and also has tasty treats for dogs. C. It has a dog-shaped ice sculpture that is created by a local artist. D. It lets guests bring their pets and also offers dog-shaped cookies. Question 3. Read this sentence from the article. This hotel is the coolest since its rooms are built exclusively of snice. Which is the closest synonym of the word exclusively? Exclusively. A. Sensibly. B. Visibly. C. Totally. D. Cautiously. Last question, question 4. Based on the article, which of these is true about the ice hotel in Sweden? A. The hotel's furniture is made of ice, but the walls are made of salt bricks. B. The hotel provides snowsuits and boots, but guests must bring their own blankets. C. The hotel is always fairly new because it has to be rebuilt each fall after it melts. Or D. The hotel's visitors create the ice sculptures that are displayed in each guest room. There we go. There's the 4 questions for that story. That was a short one today. So, I miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Send me emails. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye, everyone.